Add these extra annotations to your blocks to speed up the pattern cutting process. So firstly, we have bra annotations. So we've got where the bra strap comes on the shoulder seam. Then secondly, we've got where the top of the bra comes on the side seam. And then we can also add on where we might want different neckline heights. So if you like to create scoop neck tops all the time, add a scoop neck height, add a dropped neckline height if you want to add a drop neckline, because this here would be your collar height if you create a normal shirt. You can also add on as well any length variations you like to commonly do. So for example, if you like to create crop tops, add on where you would like that crop length as well.